So the lockdown project is finally finished. Taken 32 years off the age of this car and put it back into the livery it ran, Birmingham Superprix 1988. So let's have a little walk round. Trying out the wheel fan look on this side. And just the straight up Dymags on this side. As far as we could manage it, we've got it as close as we can to the original livery. In the Superprix, the number plate was covered by a black rectangle with the word Metro on it. It didn't run the aero hot weather mirrors, it didn't have a roof vent, and it didn't have a 6R4.net sun strip. So those are the three bits that aren't original from this livery. The rest, as close as we can get it.